Hey guys, welcome to our recipe video. We are going to be making some vegan chicken nuggets, and the reason I chose to do vegan chicken nuggets is because we don't buy meat from the store and there's no place for us to get like healthy, happy chicken meat. We are going to be doing an alternative. This is what we came up with. Alright, so here's our ingredient lineup. We've got garlic salt, coarse ground black pepper, nutritional yeast, cornstarch, cashew milk, and I chose to use a dark rye flour for our breading, and then also breadcrumbs, but I've dumped those in a bowl and I don't have the package. And then of course our main ingredient is tofu. Alright, so to start off first, you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and I'm going to take our tofu right here.
No, it's chicken.
Oh, it's chicken, guys. I forgot, sorry.
Chicken.
And we're gonna cut that open.
Chicken. We're gonna make chicken fingers. Chicken is baked. So we have almond milk, sugar, and also our bread toast.
Okay, then we're going to put it right here on our cloth.
It's a towel. It's a towel, Mom.
Alright, so I've got a 16-ounce block of tofu, and then I'm chicken.
Yep.
And then I'm going to lightly press and try to get all the water out, or as much as I can, but this stuff is very fragile, so you don't want to push too hard, or it can fall apart. Alright, so then I'm just going to cut it into squares. Okay, I got 9 blocks, and then I'm going to put it in a line right here so that I can press out even more water. And if there's any extra scraps, such as those, you can use them for like a tofu scramble, so I'll save those for another recipe. Alright, so if you're breading anything, the way I remember it is February, so flour, egg, breadcrumb, and that's what we're going to do. So our flour, our egg is going to be considered our almond milk in this case, and then our breadcrumbs. So here we go. While you're breading your tofu, you want to start your pan heating up with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, because you're going to fry them first and then we'll bake them for 20 minutes. Okay, so here's our tofu on the plate, and Slade loves breading these with me. And then I'll put these back on the plate until they're all ready to go in the frying pan. There's our breaded nuggets.
No.
And we're going to fry them. And I like to use one of these to keep all the grease from splattering all over. We'll just stick them in there. And you'll fry them for 2 minutes on each side, and then we'll put them on a baking pan and bake them. So now we're going to put them in the oven and bake them for 20 minutes total, and we'll flip them after 10 minutes, so halfway in between. Alright, our chicken nuggets are done and out of the oven. Now we're going to taste them, and we're going to see if my little guy will eat a vegan chicken nugget. Alright, Slade, grab one. What do you think?
Good.
Do you like them? They actually have the real texture of a chicken nugget. It's pretty incredible. And the taste is pretty dang good as well. So yeah, if you're vegan or even wanting to do a meatless Monday, this would be a really awesome recipe for you to try out and see if your kids like. And thank you guys for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe, comment, like, share our video, and become part of our family. And thank you. We'll see you later. Bye.